Matplotlib different size subplots. I need to add 2 subplots to a figure. One subplot needs to be about 3 times as wide as the second, same height. I accomplished this using gridspec and the colspan argument, but I would like to do this using figure so I can save to PDF. I can adjust the first figure using the figSize argument in the constructor, but how do I change the size of the second plot?
Another way is to use the subplots function and pass the width ratio with gridspec_kw. Matplotlib tutorial, customizing figure layouts using gridspec and other functions. Matplotlib.gridspec.gridspec has available gridspec_kw options. Because the question is canonical, here is an example with vertical subplots. You can use gridspec and figure.
In a simple way, different size subplotting can also be done without gridspec.
I used the plot's axis object to manually adjust the sizes without using gridspec.
Probably the simplest way is using subplot to grid, described in customizing location of subplot using gridspec. Is equal to. So Boo's example becomes